Did you know you can make much healthier, better at home? Starting with a 2-pound flank steak, remove any excess fat, the leaner the better. Place your steak in the freezer for 20 minutes to firm up, then make an 1/8 of an inch slices against the grain. For the marinade, combine 3/4 of a cup of low-sodium tamari or soy sauce, 1/4 cup of your sweetener of choice, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon sriracha, a teaspoon onion powder, a teaspoon garlic powder, and optional 1 teaspoon liquid smoke. Mix well, add in your steak slices, make sure to thoroughly coat all pieces. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Using wooden toothpicks, skewer through about 1/2 inch from the top, repeat with all other pieces. Remove all but one rack in your oven and place the rack in the second slot from the top. Cover the bottom of your oven with foil and place another foil-lined sheet pan on top. Hang your steak strips like so with the toothpick placed up and over. This will allow the strips to dry out while cooking. Set your oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 to 40 minutes, remove the foil-covered sheet pan with the marinade drippings. It's important to remove this so your oven doesn't create steam. Continue cooking an additional 2 to 3 hours or until your sticks are fully dried and firm. Remove the toothpicks, store in an airtight container 1 week in the pantry or up to 1 month.